Have you ever sent out dozens of CV as a job application and you hear nothing back? You're talented, you're hardworking, but somehow your inbox and your job application stay silent, quiet. While others keep getting offer, referrals, even roles which you are perfect for. Let me ask you something. What if you stop chasing jobs and make jobs start chasing you? Turn LinkedIn into an opportunity magnet for you. Hi, I'm Masud Parvez. I became a manager at the age of 23 in a foreign country. At the age of 29, I was director for a billion-dollar business where I was leading 160 people nationwide, and I was also managing a team of 300 plus members for a nonprofit which I founded back at that time. Since then, I have interviewed thousands of candidates, trained thousands of managers, leaders for different top Fortune 500 companies across the globe with different nationalities. Today, I coach companies and professionals to build up the breakthrough advantages so they can have a breakthrough progress into this present economy. And one of this breakthrough factor is about building a personal brand which facilitates the breakthrough activity. Because this is one of the things which opens the door automatically. This course is a system which I wish I would have it at the age of 18. This is a LinkedIn playbook for the high performers or in any professionals who are done of waiting for opportunity. This is not a resume update. It's not how to post once a week. This is how to build a personal brand on LinkedIn that turns your profile into your career most powerful asset. You'll learn why LinkedIn is not just a resume, but actually your career landing page. You will shift from chasing opportunities to attracting inbound job messages, client leads, and speaking offers. I will help you to structure your LinkedIn profile in a way so recruiter look into your profile and immediately will understand you are their solution within just 3 seconds. Your headline, your photos, your about sections, I will help you to break them down in a scientific manner so your profile works for you even when you're sleeping. One of my learners got 4 recruiter messages within a week after following my 5-minute optimization routines. Not sure what to post? I will give you a plug-and-play content format that builds trust with hiring managers and establish you as a key person of influence in their niche. You don't need 1 million or thousands of followers. What you need around 100 right person or hiring managers is looking into a message on time and also see your post. How to get you learn exact script and techniques to handle job DMs, offers, and even recruiter chats like a consultant, like an expert, not like a desperate candidate. You will also have the ability to build up a professional pipeline of opportunities and offers that is going to make you immune to layoff or economic recessions and all kind of negative situations. So you will be in a situation like from growing your network with real values to getting features invited and remembered. And I'm going to show you how you can get your name echoed in the right room over and over, of course in the right time. Since 2019, I've been training and coaching different professionals and companies across the globe with different industries, cultures. And after doing all this thing, what I have learned is this. The most successful people don't just apply better. They are discovered faster. They don't wait for the right job. They position themselves in the right position so the right job find them. After you're learning how to position yourself in a LinkedIn in a proper manner, then your LinkedIn is going to become your opportunity inbox. What you're gonna get immediately from this course. Let me summarize you a few bullets for you, which is really gonna change your career and moving forward after taking this course. Turn your LinkedIn into a 24/7 recruiter magnet. You will be able to build trust, visibility with content, even without posting every day. You will get DMs, more DMs, referrals, high-paying offers. You're going to know what to say when the opportunity knocks the door. You'll be able to grow your network with leaders, not just likes. You'll be able to create a long-term ripple effect in your career. Let me just make it clear. This is not going to be just a feel-good course or program for you. If you have that expectation, let's throw it out by the window. This is going to become your career growth engine. So I have built this course for someone who wants to be discovered, in demand, and respected, not just available for everyone. Imagine every morning you open LinkedIn and you see there are many valuable discussion messages or inbox sent to you from different peers, recruiters, conference organizer, podcast hosts, and so on. It's not because you are looking, but you have actually positioned yourself because you have positioned yourself to be found. That's exactly what building a personal brand in LinkedIn does for you. And that's what going to enable you to achieve from this course. So, are you ready to stop chasing and start attracting? So what are you waiting for? Let's hit the button and enroll for the course. Let's build a career that already speaking to the right person before even you speak a word.